Stop scrolling right now, because what I'm about to tell you might sound simple, but it has the power to completely change the way you think about growth, patience, and even your own life. I'm talking about something most people ignore. A tiny baby green bean plant. Yes, something that's small, but trust me, what it teaches is bigger than most people will ever understand. I'm being honest. I used to think gardening was boring, slow, pointless. I thought, why waste time on plants when you can do something more important? But one day, I planted a few green bean seeds, not expecting anything. No excitement, no plan, just something random. And that small decision, it changed my perspective completely. Within a few days, I saw it, a tiny green sprout breaking through the soil. And let me tell you, that moment hit differently. That small, fragile plant pushed through dirt, darkness, and pressure, without complaining, without stopping. And I stood there thinking, if something this small can fight its way up and grow, then what excuse do I have? Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Green bean plants are incredibly easy to grow. They don't need perfection. They don't need luxury. Just give them sunlight, water, and decent soil, and they'll grow. That's it. Simple. But the real question is, can you stay consistent enough to take care of it? Because that's where most people fail. From my own experience, I started checking on that plant every single day. At first, nothing exciting happened. Just small changes, leaves getting bigger, stem getting stronger. And honestly, I got impatient. I wanted faster results. I wanted to see something big. But nature doesn't care about your impatience. It moves at its own pace, and that's a lesson we all need to learn. Green bean plants grow best in warm weather, with plenty of sunlight and regular watering. Some varieties even climb, which means you need to support them with sticks or a small trellis. I remember adding support to my plant and watching it climb upward. It felt like it had purpose, direction, something we all struggle with sometimes. And then one day, it happened. Flowers appeared. Small, simple, but beautiful. And after that, real green beans started forming. That moment felt like a reward, not just for watering the plant, but for staying patient, for showing up every day, even when nothing seemed to be happening. Let me tell you something powerful. Growth is happening, even when you don't see it. This plant didn't just grow, it trained me. It taught me discipline, responsibility, consistency. Every day I had to water it, protect it, check it. No excuses. And slowly I realized, this isn't just about a plant. This is about life. And the biggest surprise, it gave me peace. Real peace. In a world full of stress, noise, and distractions, those few minutes with my plant made me feel calm, focused, and connected. So listen carefully. If you can't stay patient with a small plant, how will you stay patient with your goals? If you quit when nothing is visible, how will you ever reach something meaningful? Start small, grow something, learn from it. Because that baby green bean plant, it's not just a plant, it's a test. And if you truly understand it, it can change your mindset, your habits, and your entire life.